Hello children, welcome back in this fourth video of chapter 15, visualizing solid shapes. And in previous video children, we have seen that how to draw solid objects on a flat surface so that it can look three-dimensional. So there were two ways of doing that. First of all, oblique sketches, and the second method was isometric sketches. So we had seen today's video children, we are going to see how to visualize solid shapes. Here we can see in the picture children a solid shape. So whenever we look at the solid object, it is not necessary that the whole of the picture is visible to us from one place. The view of the solid may also depend upon the direction from which we are looking at. Okay, when we look at the combined shape, some part of the solid are visible to us and some may be hidden to us. Just in this picture children, we can see this part is visible to us, but what is just opposite to it is not visible to us. So from different angle we just see it and we observe different patterns. Now how to view different section of a solid. Suppose this is the braid is solid children and we have made horizontal cuts, and this is what we see as one face. When we cut an object, okay, the face of each piece will be called cross section. Okay, so if the braid is there and if we make horizontal cuts, then these all pieces will look like a square. But if the same braid, suppose the same braid is there, and if you make a vertical cut like this, if you just make a cut vertical, then we will have a cross section like a rectangle. Okay, here I have some examples given children: cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, cone and triangular prism. And we have to make vertical and horizontal cut, and accordingly we have to decide how its cross-sectional area will look like. Okay, here the pictures are given. We can see here cube, vertical cut, the cross-section will look like square, horizontal cut, a square. Again, some informations are given, just go through it and you can do practical also. If you just take something of this shape and make a vertical and horizontal cut, you will see that suppose you have taken a ball and make a vertical or horizontal cut. In the both cases you will see the cross section will look like a circle. Okay, next is shadow play. Children, shadow play is very simple technique to identify the shape of object from a particular point of view. Suppose for a cube, if we keep a bulb just at top, we will see at the bottom a square shadow will be formed. In the same way, in case of cylinder, if we place a bulb at the top, you will see a shadow at the bottom, but this time it will be a circular shadow will be formed. Again, if we invert, or you can say lie down that cylinder, and this time there will be a rectangular shadow formed. In case of cone children, if we place a torch on one side, then on the other side we will have on the screen a triangular shadow. So in this video children, we have revised that how to visualize solid shapes from different angles and how to make horizontal and vertical cut, and then how different objects of different shapes will look like when there will be a vertical and horizontal cut done. Then we saw the shadow play, that how shadows will be formed if we keep a bulb or some source of light just at different regions, at different sides. So this is all from this video children. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.